These are birds of 3 weeks and 4 days, and I'm using organic. We only use synthetic from day 1 to day 6, and since then I have been using organic. You can see they are doing fine. They are doing well. They were 25 in numbers. We have 1 mortality, but thank God till now, nothing like mortality again. The customer came, or someone came and fell in love with my birds. She saw the weight, she carried them, the weight was massive, and she fell in love with the birds and tried to take 5. So she bought 5. So now what I have left here is 19 in number. You can see inside here I have bitter leaf, scent leaf, pawpaw leaf, and neem, or some people call it dogoyaro. So organic is working. You can see the birds, they are eating. You can see the birds. Thank you.